Okay, cross two heterozygous plants from the F generation. So of course we're going to need the first question, 2 there. And we know that all of the offspring are actually, I guess half of the offspring had capital T, little t. So we're going to take 2 of those F1 generations, offspring, and again, heterozygous, meaning different. And we're going to cross those and we're going to come up with an F2 generation. And we want to know what the genotype and the probability. So what is the probability of having short pea plants from these 2 parents right here? And they want our answer expressed in 2 decimal places. This is really important. You don't want to do all this work and then end up leaving it into a ratio or leaving it into a fraction. They actually want, in this case, they want the answer in 2 decimal places. So make sure you kind of always underline what they're looking the answer to be in for you to be able to get the right answer for this, okay? So we know the legend already. We're not going to do the legend again, but we underline the parents. Now we're going to do our step 3, the Punnett square. Okay, isolate them into gametes, capital T, little t. So one parent down the side, the other parent across the top. And now we're going to fill in the genotypes of the offspring. And we're also going to put the phenotype in there as well. So we know capital T, just from the previous legend in question 2, is tall. Capital T, little t, again, we're simulating fertilization, right? If this egg is fertilized by this sperm, that's the genotype we're going to get, and it's also going to be a tall plant. Capital T, little t, that's going to be tall. And little t, this is going to be short. Okay, so this is the only one that's different. Now, the question, if we go back to the question, what is the probability of having a short pea plant? Well, we have a total of 4, right? 4 different type of offspring. Out of the 4, only 1 out of 4 is going to be short. If we want that into decimals, we just divide that out. 1 divided by 4 equals 0.25. Now, 2 decimal places is how many spots or places after the decimal. That's already in decimal places. If we don't have another number here, we don't look to do any rounding. But if we did have another here, a number here, we'd have to look to see whether we're going to round that up or we're going to keep it the same. But we already have it into 0.25 decimal or 2 decimal places, so it's going to be 0.25 that are going to be short. That's the answer that we are going to transfer onto our answer sheet. Okay, thanks guys.